कुंडली 100 समाधान, देश की हर ज्योतिषीय पद्धति के समावेश के साथ संपूर्ण, आकर्षक और सबसे सटीक एस्ट्रोसेज बृहद कुंडली आज अभी लें, क्योंकि भविष्य में ही छिपे हैं जीवन के संकेत।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. This is Sashwati and I hope you guys are doing well. So the lockdown 4.0 has started and it has started with some new rules and regulations. But it would be wise if we stay at our own houses currently and maintain the protocols and the basic social distancing rules. So on this note, I would like to tell you what brings me here today, or what is the topic that I'll be discussing today. So today I'm here with another transit video, which would be the Mercury transit in Gemini, which is taking place on the 24th of May, and I will be giving away all the details and the predictions associated with this particular transit. So Mercury, which is called the Prince in the planetary cabinet, is transiting in its own sign Gemini on Sunday the 24th of May at 11:57 p.m. in the night. Mercury is the planet which represents communication, organization, analysis, and observation in the realm of Vedic astrology. It also governs your business sense, and when placed in a strong position, it bestows all kinds of natives with these particular qualities, which I have mentioned a little while ago. As Mercury now is transiting in its own sign Gemini, I will be giving away the predictions for this particular transit, and with this you will be able to know what benefits does this planet bring for you. So on this note, I would like to start the predictions. I will begin with the first sign to be registered under the zodiac circle, which is Aries. So the transit of Mercury will take place in the 3rd house of Aries natives, which actually represents communication, siblings, and efforts for Aries natives. As the 3rd house also represents the valor and courage, Aries natives will be full of vigor, enthusiasm, and might during this time frame, and their main purpose or main area of dedication will be to fulfill their goals and ambitions. This will see them not shying away from making efforts to realize their objectives. As the 3rd house represents siblings, it indicates that this is the right time for the Aries individuals to spend time with their younger brothers and sisters. This also indicates that their progress will be a source of joy and happiness for you. This transit of Mercury also indicates that natives of Aries moon sign are also likely to get good news from alternative sources or medium of communication such as the internet, social media, etc. Mercury transit in this sign will be very helpful for those Aries natives who are into creative fields. Also, those who are into the profession of writing and publishing will come across many opportunities that will give the right direction to their career and success. You are likely to repay your loans and debts during this time frame, which have been prolonging for a very long time. However, as Mercury is also aspecting the 9th house, which represents one's father, this indicates that the health of your father may be a source of worry and anxiety for you. Some of the Arians may also find some altercations or difference of opinions with their father or fatherly figures. Love and romance would be at an all-time high during this transit of Mercury in Aries, and the natives will be able to fully express their emotions and feelings to their beloved. There will also be great support from their spouses of the married natives. Health-wise, this transit seems to be heading in a more favorable direction. As a remedy, you should worship Lord Ganesha on Wednesdays, as this will definitely bring you some auspicious outcomes. So the next in line is Taurus, the second sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So for Taurians, this transit of Mercury will take place in your 2nd house of wealth, speech, family, and will bring some mixed results. Taurus natives will become more family oriented and will like to spend more time with their family members. However, as Mercury represents speech, this indicates that you should be careful in your choice of words. This is because any satire or joke made by you during this time duration may unintentionally hurt others. Because of this, the family environment may get disrupted. As 2nd house also represents accumulated wealth, this transit may add on to your accumulated wealth and savings. This is also the right time for Taurus natives to open new bank accounts, invest in new ventures for the long term. This should be their main priority and will help them to secure themselves as well as their family future. By doing this, they will be aligning with the energy of the planet Mercury. However, The students of this sign are likely to make steady progress in their academic studies during this time frame. For single natives, it is a very good transit as this position of Mercury will help them to express their feelings to their partner, which will strengthen their bond between them. For married natives, family expansion is on the cards. However, the health of your spouse can be a source of worry and stress for you. Personal hygiene will play a very important role during this transit. Otherwise, there can be problems related to mouth, especially your teeth. Those natives who have a history of hormone-related disorders like thyroid, they should exercise carefully and maintain precautions during this transit. As a remedy, you should offer water and worship the Tulsi plant regularly. Next, we'll be talking about Gemini natives. So Gemini natives will host the transit of Mercury in their ascendant or first house, which is also called the house of self and personality. Mercury also governs their fourth house of luxuries, comfort, mother and home. And it indicates that this transit will bring favorable results for them. Gemini natives with the position of Mercury in their first house will be more lively, vivacious and charismatic during this time duration. They will be filled with youthful energy and Mercury will bestow them with good oratory and communication skills. This will enable them to impress people from all walks of life. The natives in the business and profession are also likely to come across many opportunities that will see their rise in their income and comfort during this time. Mercury will be in its directional strength during this time, which will make them filled with creative ideas and sharp intellect. It will also give them a refined sense of judgment and sharp observational powers, making it easy for them to make better use of the opportunities which are being provided to them. This will lead them to success and prosperity during this time period. But be aware, as this position of Mercury can sometimes make you hop onto one task to another, as you tend to become bored of your monotonous routine. This can result in inconsistencies, so be sure to complete one task before you start the other one. This time frame will also be very favorable for love and romance. The search for single natives will end as they will meet their special someone now. Married natives will also feel happiness and contentment in their relationships. As a remedy, you should recite the Bij mantra of the planet Mercury regularly. So we have now reached the fourth sign to be registered under the zodiac circle, which is Cancer. So the transit of Mercury is in the 12th house of expenditures and foreign travels, and it will bring mixed results for Cancer natives. The most important thing to do for Cancer natives during this time is resource management, as this position of Mercury may make them come across certain unprecedented situations which can lead to high expenditures. Indulging in physical exercise, meditation and avoiding stress is also a necessity, as Cancer natives may face some health problems or scar during this time frame. As Mercury is also aspecting the 6th house of competition, struggles and enemies, it will be better to stay away from any conflicts and clashes during this period. It may also result in your image being disturbed or tarnished. Also, try to stay away from court cases, litigations, which may also result in expenditures coupled with mental agony and stress. Also, try to stay away from taking any kind of loans and liabilities during this time frame. However, the family environment for Cancer natives will be happy and cordial during this time. The progress of your siblings will bring you joy and happiness. The 12th house also represents the foreign settlements and gains, and Mercury is transiting there in its own house. This definitely indicates that Cancer natives might look for foreign opportunities to settle in the future. As a remedy, you should feed green fodder or paddy to the cows on Wednesdays. This will definitely bring in some auspicious results. Next in line is Leo. So Leo natives will host the transit of Mercury in their 11th house, which denotes success and profits. Mercury also governs the house of accumulated wealth, family and savings. This transit will bring auspicious results for Leo natives. Professionally, Leo natives will find success, recognition and rewards from the senior management. The professionals looking for any job change may come across opportunities to find the job in their desired fields. As the second lord is positioned in the 11th house, which makes a very potent Dhan Yoga for Leo natives, this will increase their capacity to earn riches, fame and success in this time period. Business will also yield gains and profits. This position of Mercury will also enable you to gain from social circles and friends. It also indicates that the more social you are, the more you mingle with people or promote yourself through mediums like social networking sites, internet, etc., the more benefit this transit will bring for you. It is a time duration that will see the fulfillment of your deep longing desires. Concerning love and romance, this transit seems favorable. However, still spending quality time with your spouse and partner is of paramount importance to strengthen your relationship. As a remedy, you should light camphor in your house, and this will definitely help you to get rid of the negative energy which is present in the house and accumulate some positive energy and auspicious results. We have now reached the sixth sign to be registered under the zodiac circle, which is Virgo. So Mercury will transit into its own 10th house for Virgo natives. From the 10th house, we see the standing and progress of the natives in their career and profession. So this transit will bring auspicious results for you. This transit will also see an increase in the dedication of Virgo natives. They will be filled with passion and enthusiasm that we seem to complete their pending tasks with vigor. This is likely to increase your productivity and efficiency at the workplace. Also, this transit of Mercury also increases the adaptability and flexibility of the natives, which make them complete their tasks with great ease and comfort. This will bring recognition from seniors or persons holding higher positions of authority in the organization. However, this position of Mercury can sometimes make one conscious of making mistakes, resulting in seeking over perfection in everything. This can result in procrastination of the tasks and unnecessary delays. So, it is suggested to be more action-oriented during this time period and put more focus on the completion of your tasks rather than seeking for perfection. It will help in achieving better results from this transit. However, in this time frame, Virgo natives will be more inclined towards their career. They are likely to be career-oriented, leaving no or little time for their loved one or spouses. This can cause some frictions or some ups and downs in relationships. So, it is suggested to strike the right balance between your personal and professional life. It will result in bringing fulfillment and happiness to your life. As a remedy, you should chant the Vishnu Sahasranam Stottra daily during the sunrise timings. Next, we'll be talking about Libra natives. So the transit of Mercury in its 9th house of fortune, luck, faith, spirituality and higher education will bring auspicious results for Libra natives. During this period, Libra individuals will get themselves inclined spiritually. They will be more interested in finding the deeper meaning of life. This will see them reading scriptures, spiritual and mythological books in this time frame. As the 9th house also represents teachers, gurus or mentors, it is likely that meeting with such a person during this time frame will bring benefits for them in the long run. However, such meetings may take place virtually considering the pandemic situation we are currently facing. Professionally, this transit will see Libra individuals gain good positions and promotion in their workplace or organization. This is because their efforts will be fully supported by luck and fortune during this time frame. Respect and support from subordinates as well as seniors will be a source for your joy and happiness, as this position of Mercury is making an auspicious Dhan Yoga, which will result in an increment in your salary and fortune during this time. As Mercury also governs the 12th house of foreign for Libra natives, there are going to be gains and profits from foreign lands. However, this position of Mercury can create some problems or difference of opinion with your father. This can be more severe if you are working in the same business. Also, do not forget to follow the line of decorum while conversing with him. In matters concerning love and romance, married natives will feel happiness and contentment during this transit. This transit will also bring some good news for single natives waiting to take their relationship to a whole new level. Students will see their grasping power increase during this transit, which will see them getting good results in their higher studies later on. As a remedy, you should donate books to the needy children and students. Next, we'll be talking about Scorpio natives. So Scorpions will host Mercury transit in their house of transformation, changes, research and uncertainties, which means in the 8th house. As Mercury is a very swift planet, it may bring some fast-paced and quick changes in your life, resulting in restlessness and anxiety in the beginning. But these changes are there to make Scorpio individuals come out of their comfort zone and limits that they have set for themselves. They will start to trust their intuition and insights, which will lead them to discover the hidden potentials within themselves. However, as Mercury is directly aspecting the second house of accumulated wealth, it may result in some unexpected expenditures. This may lead to saturation in savings, so it is very important to manage and utilize your resources and income properly during this time frame. However, as the 8th house also denotes gifts and sudden gains, Scorpio natives can expect some sudden profits during this time duration. But it is advised to stay away from activities involving over speculation during this time frame. For Scorpio professionals, it is a time to sharpen and improve your skills rather than looking for a job change. This period will also demand some awareness regarding health matters, especially if you have a previous history of some skin allergy or skin related diseases. Rush to the doctor immediately if you feel any discomfort during this time. Also, inculcating yoga, meditation and staying away from stress and negativity will also help you in achieving some positive results in health related matters. This time duration will be good for students who are starting with some new course, as the position of Mercury will help them to grasp the subject very properly. In subjects pertaining to love and relationships, choose the words wisely before you speak, otherwise there could be some ups and downs or temperamental differences in your relationship. As a remedy, you should chant the mantra associated with Buddha or Mercury regularly during sunrise. Next, we'll talk about Sagittarius natives. So for Sagittarius natives, Mercury will move into their house of spouse, partnerships and vocation, that is the 7th house. The transit of Mercury will bring auspicious results for individuals belonging to this fiery zodiac sign. As Mercury also governs the house of profession and career, professionals of this zodiac sign are likely to get promoted or earn an increment during this period of time. This position of Mercury will also increase their observation and organizational skills, which will help them to structure their tasks and endeavors in proper orders, resulting in increased efficiency and results. This will lead to encouragement and acknowledgement from the senior management. This is in general favorable transit for business people, but the individuals owning their business in the form of partnerships are likely to see more profits and gains in this time frame. Relationships are likely to blossom, as romance will be in its full bloom during this transit. This is a very good time to finalize the wedding dates for individuals interested in taking their relationship to a new level. Married natives will also feel gratification and happiness in their relationships. Students will find themselves more focused during this time period, which will help them to achieve good results in their academics. As a remedy, you should chant the Mercury mantra during the Mercury Hora regularly. Next in line is Capricorn, the 10th sign to be registered under the zodiac circle. So Capricorn natives will host the transit of Mercury in their 6th house of competitions, enemies and diseases. This position of Mercury will bring auspicious results for the professionals belonging to this sign. They will see rise in their competitive strength and resilient power, which will help them to overcome their enemies. There will be a lot of support from your subordinates or colleagues, which will result in increased productivity at the workplace. It is a very good time period for the professionals who are looking for new jobs. They will come across many opportunities in their desired fields. For businessmen of this sign, this period will be beneficial and provide you with success. If you have been thinking of taking any kind of loans to expand your business, then this period is likely to offer you some positive results. Personally, Capricorn natives will get good gains and gifts from the maternal side of the family. The legal matters or court cases are likely to go in your favor during this time. However, this period can make you a little over serious in love related matters, which can create some problems in your relationships. So spending quality time with your partner is of foremost importance, as this will help you and your partner to address your concerns and strengthen your bond. Students preparing for competitive and government exams are likely to see their efforts bear positive results during this period. There will be a rapid or sudden increase in energy during this time. So indulging in any kind of physical activity like walking, jogging or gymming will provide great benefits to your overall health. As a remedy, you should feed green fodder to cows. We have now reached the second last sign to be registered under the zodiac circle, which is Aquarius. So Mercury will transit in the 5th house of intellect, offsprings, love and romance of Aquarius natives. This position of Mercury will bring auspicious results. Professionals of this sign will be able to execute their ideas and thoughts in an impressive manner. This will lead to increase in their income and prosperity during this time frame. Businessmen will also see their policies yielding great profits and success. However, it is advised to divert the income or profits that you earn in this duration into some property or long-term investment. This will be very beneficial for your future. Personally, this will be a very auspicious time for married natives that will see you getting good support from your spouse or beloved. This position of Mercury will provide you with a playful nature and easygo attitude in love matters. This will help in strengthening the bond in the relationship. Parents of this sign will be happy and joyous with the progress of their child. This position of Mercury will help the students in quickly grasping the subjects which they were finding tough earlier. As a result of this, they will perform well in their academics. However, the natives of this sign could face some problems related to the abdomen or lower abdomen region. So taking care of your diet and indulging in physical activities should be a must during this transit period. As a remedy, you should offer prayers to Goddess Saraswati. Last but not the least, we'll be talking about Pisces natives. So Mercury will transit into the 4th house of happiness, mother, home, luxuries and comforts of Pisces natives. This position of Mercury will bring auspicious results for the family life of individuals belonging to this sign. Happiness and a cordial environment will prevail in the family. There will be harmony amongst all the family members, which will be a source of joy for persons born under the sign of the fish. This will bring in peace of mind, which will also be reflected in their performances in their professional fields. However, sometimes laziness can set in, as the 4th house also represents comforts. This can easily push the Pisceans into their comfort zone, which can result in them missing some very important futuristic prospects. So, remaining alert and aware is very essential for them to succeed in this duration. Personally, relationships with mother are set to improve during this time frame. Some investments or additions in the vehicle or property can be predicted for some. Pisces natives are advised to take proper care of their expenses before proceeding with any such decision. Also, there are very high chances of your spouse getting rewards or appreciation from their workplace. This will bring more happiness and elation in the family. During this joyous time, if you openly express your pride for your partner, then it will definitely strengthen your bond. As a remedy, you should honor or worship the Tulsi plant regularly. So this was all you need to know about the Mercury transit which is taking place in Gemini and how it will affect your life. I hope that this video proves to be useful for you. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.